Sanmonani, welcome back to another video where we look at some of your interesting reactions to episode 16 of season 8 uThando Nesithembu. Ake sibheke ukuthi abantu bebethini. Uninyo ke yena uthi, and now I understand why uMacele deserves to be the first wife. She's tough. Isithembu is not for the weak. Others are already tired, shame. And then usikelelwa uthi umsele better give Umayini a new Mercedes Benz just for carrying this season on her back. Umbhemu is standing on business this season. Umotlatsho uthi okusalayo they all attended umcimbi. Nami, this is what I thought was interesting ngayo yonke lento. After they huffed and puffed bethi nje bona hayi udlala ngathi nje umseleko nje ngesize hawu nafika kodwa but kesana asikho lapho. We are still happy ukuthi they were all there. Uriya bethe uthi he's fighting so hard for this Makwela. Kuri he's making sure and he's disregarding and disrespecting everyone in the process. How do people marry such inconsiderate men? They really do kesana babashada kahle nje. Amahlena uthi but umseleko is selfish. He's going ahead with this knowing how his wives feel. It's like he doesn't mind losing any of them or vele he knows that they won't leave. It baffles me. Isn't the whole point of marriage to be considerate of your partner? Even in his blessings, he still wants to be greedy. God gave him 4 beautiful, successful women. Unanamana yena uthi that is the point at which they should unite and walk out on the ceremony. Let him go welcome his number 5 alone. I'd like to see something. Ubabala uthi Umakay showed courage by standing up first and then stood her ground regardless if her sister wives were gonna support or oppose. Umakay all the way. Yes, I actually agree nje. Yo, that was so brave of her nje to just stand up nje knowing ukuthi nangu la uMacele embuka ngalelo lihlo lelo, nangu la uMayeni. Yo, uAlton yena uthi I would agree with her if she was the first wife, but since she got married to another woman's husband, she utters rubbish. All she needs is to accept other wives as they come, the same way she was accepted by uMacele. Usinothile yena uthi unumber 5 abekho yini kubo abazombonisa bamtshela ukuthi angayi ngoba kushiswa impepho kanti futhi uyintombi. Asibonge uthi this is the Makwela that we ordered, and guys, I have to agree so much with this. I love that she holds this man accountable with class and calmness. Akathethi akakhulumeli phezulu akadeleli umtshela nje iqiniso. This is why mhlambe I choose i-approach yakhe uMakwela kuneyaka Mayeni, because uMayeni ubuya benokudelela when she speaks her mind, and sometimes when she tries to make a point uvela khulume nomuntu engathi ukhuluma nengane, which I just don't respect. Uthando lwethu yena uthi the problem with uMakhumalo started when she heard she's from around ekhaya kubo. If she wasn't from around, she would not have a problem. Honestly, I'd feel the same. If I was her, how can you marry someone from my homestead and expect me to be okay? Even worse, if I have been painting you as a good person around people and now you do this to me. Unontombi uthi okusalayo unumber 5 ukhona, like it or not, only her and umseleko can change that. They act as if they don't know the kind of man they married to. Umacele had to accept Unthombeni for who he is and welcome all 3 of them, so why wouldn't she accept the 4th one? Umpo uthi, where's the love if Isithembu is such a beautiful thing? There's absolutely everything wrong here. You can't have 5 wives and think things will ever go well for you. Maybe the show should be renamed to Isithembu Nokulwa. Untombenhle uthi, this is what I wanted from uMakwela. And then Untombi uthi Makwela kade uthule sis, it's now your turn. Ushaye umusa ngebhomu. Lana we learn kahle. Kithi never trust too much, umuntu uyajika. And then Unomuzi uthi, to be honest, having many wives causes a stroke. Ngiyamzwela lo baba manje. Anelisa uthi, this is the Makhumalo I've always wanted to see. And then Unandi uthi, if eze kuye, why force the wives to see her lo number 5 wakho? And then uDudu uthi, that's why uMusa got a stroke. Yes, Makhumalo, 3 wives bathi no, but uMacele is saying yes. Ubonge uthi sesigachazeka nje sithi uMayeni uyayimela into yakhe, kodwa ukukhuluma iqiniso nje uyeyisa, ukhomba abantu ngesigubhu. Kuyacaca ukuthi ubezobakhomba ngomunwe ukube besingekho lesi sigubhu. uMary uthi, I really do not agree with Mselegu's action. He was not even supposed to do the Thanksgiving as yet. He was supposed to wait until he was healed completely. I also do not agree with him bringing number 5 kumsebenzi. I am really confused by this action. Yo kunzima kaMseleku. I just wish the family could overcome all the challenges they are facing, and they must also remember that there are kids involved. I wish you all well. uDimpho uthi, number 5 is still a girlfriend, mara for some reasons he is forcing her in the family so much, knowing pretty well how the other wives feel about his number 5. Uyadelela lo baba shame. uVimbayi uthi, I wish we saw how these 3 wives were introduced to uMacele and how she welcomed them compared to uMakhwela. I also wondered the same, yes, because I feel like if the wives had been welcomed kahle kungekho nje ukuhilizisana noMacele, I don't think nabo benga react kanje to a new wife coming in. I really do sense a level of resentment from the wives to uMacele, seeing as how she is so happy ukuthi kungena number 5. But also esidini lakhe uMacele, I can see how she can be happy ukuthi kungena number 5, because now she's had years to prepare ukuthi khona umuntu ozongena, whereas ngesikhathi yena esandangena and then kwase kwangena uMasawulo, she didn't have enough time to just digest nje the fact ukuthi khona uMayeni, khona uMasawulo, there's other girlfriends that he wants to take as wives, yabo. So I think now she's older, she's mature now, and really it will come across as hypocritical. Kodwa-ke singakhohlwa indlela uMakhumalo angena ngayo, because it was a bit backdoor-ish of her ukuthi angene ngale ndlela angena ngayo as this babysitter, you know. So kesana angeke ngimsole mina uMacele if she's holding leyo grudge leyo and actually taking this opportunity kaMakhwela as a revenge on them, to make them feel what she felt ngesikhathi bengena. I think singam-understanda kangcono uMacele if nathi singayifaka ey'cathulweni zakhe. Imagine you married to a man and then you see this child, you thinking ingane ka next door, kanti usethanana nobaba la ekhaya. Like honestly now, how would you feel ngempela? So I can understand shame why she hates her the way she does even today. Lastly ke uKiya uthi, so he's still lying even after he promised that he will do better. Yo hayi amadoda ne.